This is day 6 on the MSC cruise ship, and today is tea day. I see how hard the ship is rocking. They had to close the kids' pool. It's too crazy out there. Well, we're gonna go zip lining, but I think that's closed too. It's just real windy out right now. On this, the jungle.
wait till I go first.
Why? You scared? Oh shoot. Kinda hard.
Hey, don't look.
It's not moving it. Yeah, day 6, man. It's coming to an end. We got one more day tomorrow.
Don't touch it.
I'm not.
Here.
We got one more day tomorrow. Don't want to leave, man. Oh shoot. Zip line is on over there. It starts all the way up there. Today's gonna be a real chill day. We're just gonna relax and get ready for tomorrow. We're gonna be on the beach all day, but we tried to do zip lining. We think that's closed because nobody was on it. And then we wanted to do a ping pong. Too many kids were playing there. Cornhole was too packed too, so we just came to our room. Just gonna relax, chill. And the ship is rocking really hard, so kind of getting a little seasick. So I think it'd be better for us to just stay inside for now. Had a good little nap. Countdown for New Year's, 9 hours. Right now, about to go get a cup of coffee, and then we're gonna go play bingo.
Fantastic. Now let's go with the rules and regulations from our 48. Give me a whoop whoop. G48. All right. 5 numbers called so far. G47. 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 Give me a whoop whoop.
No.
G47. Let's go with the next number. It's an N. N33. 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 Bueno, no bueno.
Bueno.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got another stander in the room. What do you think about that?
I've got 4 numbers left on this one. 4 numbers. That's a lot to drink. Got something different. Got tacos, spaghetti, nice view. I haven't even been to this side of the boat yet. I'm not scared. This is cracked and they just put tape over it.
This is
That was
Infinity Bridge.
crazy. Oh, Infinity Bridge. They need to clean those glass. This whole place out for their wedding. Having dinner at this place called Butcher's Cut. Yeah, Butcher's Cut. This we had to pay for. It didn't come with the the cruise, so we did pay for this, but we wanted to because we didn't want to eat the cruise dinner every night. We wanted to change it up, something different. So this is like a steakhouse. I'm excited. It's New Year's Eve. Oh shoot! So this is what we're getting. Appetizer, we're getting oyster, shellfish tower with all that lobster, oysters, all that good stuff, shrimp. This is what the place looks like. Fancy. We got the window seat. Kind of dark. Ooh, that was fast.
Very fast.
Rockefeller?
Fast.
Ooh. You excited? Dang, look how big the shrimp is. Jumbo shrimp. That's alright. Let's start eating. Let's get. You put lemon on here, right?
Thank you.
If you want to fold it together.
Tabasco?
It's a heart.
Heart.
So
Heart
cute.
oyster. Look at that bite right there.
I'm $1 for all this.
Yeah. Oh, it's okay.
I'll put it here.
Good. cooked perfectly.
Okay.
Start. Alright, we got 20 minutes to count down. All the bars are super packed. 20 minutes to count down.